Next example. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20 meters high building or 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. Okay. From point on the ground. Okay. Let C. C is the point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20 meters high building. Okay. Let AB. AB is the height of the building. A transmission tower fixed at top of the building. Let AD. AD is the transmission tower height. Okay. AD is the tower. AB is the, let AB. AB is building. Height of the building. And AD. AD is tower. Transmission tower. Okay. See. A point on the ground makes an angle with top of the tower and bottom of the tower. D is the top of the tower. A is the bottom of the tower. Okay. Top of the tower. Top of the tower, it makes 60 degrees and bottom of the tower 45 degrees. Okay. Angle C. A, C, B is 45 degrees and D, C, B is 60 degrees. Okay. See, from here we have to find height of the tower. Here we have to find AD. Okay. Find AD. From triangle DCB. DCB. DCB is a right angle triangle. Tan 45 degrees. We know here given AB. Height of the building is 20 meters. Okay. AB equal to 20 meters. Tan 45 degrees. DCB is tan 60. Tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 equal to DB. Opposite side. DB by BC. Okay. Tan 60 degrees equal to root 3. DB by BC. Here DB equal to AB plus AD. DB equal to AB plus AD. Okay. By BC. Root 3 equal to root 3 into BC equal to AD plus AD. AB. We know AB equal to 20 meters plus AD. Okay. Next, tan 45 degrees. From triangle DCB. Sorry, ACB. ACB. Tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees equal to opposite side AB by adjacent side is BC. We know AB equal to 20 degrees. We don't know BC. Tan 45 degrees equal to 1. Here BC equal to 20. Okay. BC equal to 20 meters. Here root 3 into BC. We know BC. BC equal to 20 meters. equal to 20 plus AD. Okay. AD equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. 20 is common, root 3 minus 1. Here AD equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1. See, here we have to find AD, height of the tower. Okay. Hence, height of the tower, AD equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meters. 20 into root 3 value 1.732 minus 1. Okay, which is equal to 14.64 meters. Okay, height of the tower is 14.64 meters.